Whenever I competed in Miss USA, I would hot roll my hair. So these I have brushed out. The exact curling iron I used when I competed at Miss Arkansas and Miss USA. I feel like I could do an aerobics class. I love to put a piece behind my ear. You don't even want to know how many hairspray bottles I went through. And Mama loves some teas. Hey y'all, I'm Lauren Ashton Weaver, former Miss Arkansas turned pageant coach, and we're starting a series of a hair down showdown. That's where I show you all multiple types of ways to do your hair for pageants on my hair and to see what technique works best for you guys. Today, I'm gonna show hot rollers. My hair is naturally really straight, barely has any volume. I don't have beautiful hair like Luke naturally, so we will be throwing in extensions as well. So each time, to make it fair, I am going to completely wash my hair so there's no product or heat on it from before. So this is my hair naturally, and we're gonna get started. So like I mentioned, my hair is very silky and just flat, and I need more texture to hold onto it. I do use dry shampoo as a root texture spray. A tip is, if you have dark hair, you know how it can give you that powdery white look? Hold it further away, and then for it to fully activate, don't touch it for a little bit. Let it sit, soak up any oils, and make your hair a little bit drier. So this was the dry shampoo I used. I just got it from Kroger. So now I'm gonna hairspray my hair a little bit so it has a little bit more grit to it. This is the brand I love. Whenever I competed, I used a light hold and a strong hold to set it. So I would spray the light hold about now and then use a really heavy hold for the stage lights. But I am gonna be in person in a conference room today, so I'd like my hair to have movement as I teach walking. But on the Miss USA stage, when you're like sweating up there, you need a variety of hairsprays. So I'll have both options linked for you guys of hairspray combinations, so you can pick and choose what works best for you, or maybe just do all three depending on if you have an appearance or you're on stage. So I'm gonna let this dry. My gosh, your girl was out there being chatty Cathy, so it is time for us to get rolling. I think everything's been said at this point. So I'm gonna start with my bangs. I roll everything just straight back. You pull a little forward and roll it like so with the hot roller. I'll show you all in just a second, but I'm gonna alternate sizes as well. And my rollers will be linked below. So I pull my hair forward and then wrap the hair since this is layered. I'm gonna clip it. Clip it right here. I'm gonna do the rest of my head. Okay, I got my rollers set. Now I'm gonna do my makeup while these cool because they are really hot right now. I just finished my makeup, so it's time to go to the hair. We've got time check, got about an hour left, so we're killing it. Okay, let's start by dropping these bad boys. Is there a particular order I take these down in? No. And these I'm not looking as much for a curl. The olds that I did have that I broke from traveling, it did fit my whole head and would curl it, plus my extensions. Really, I'm just needing volume from these. Whenever I competed in Miss USA, I would hot roll my hair and then I would curl it just because I needed that lift. Oh yeah, I got some volume going on. My goal when getting volume is for my hair to look like Luke's. He has such good hair. He has to tame his volume and like get it from being so wavy in the morning. I'm like, I hope our kids have your hair. Perk says my hair doesn't get really frizzy, but his doesn't either. So here's the situation. Yeah, definitely some volume in the hair, but if you see, I need to touch up just the curls and the way they lay. So I'm gonna spray it, put in my extensions, and then we're gonna curl it. I like to curl my hair with my extensions in so it blends better rather than pre-curling it. Now there are situations when I'm traveling, I know I gotta snap them in, that I do pre-curl them, but I don't feel like they blend as well. For my extensions, I have one track that's longer and has 3 clips, and then 2 longer ones that have 2 clips. So I do one long one right here to my ears, and then on the side to fill out the sides of my hair so there's not any gap. So let's start by sectioning off for the bottom piece first. So I'm gonna go right here to leave a little hair over my ears. And And then we're gonna tease where the clips go. So I go pump, pump, and just push the hair down rather than back and forth. I try not to damage my hair as much as possible. I also want it to hold. I have a lot of strands of hair, but they're very fine, so that's why my hair is not super thick. And they also become untangled really easily. So you have to really pack it in there for it to hold. I only gotta spray it for it to hold it. So these I have brushed out. They have a little wave left in them from last time. So I clip the middle and then I clip my sides in. Pretty secure. So let's do the same method for these. And I don't set them super high because I know they'll like cross, like they'll be right here, the ends of them. And you tend to part your hair in the middle whenever you're just standing there, and I don't want those suckers to pop out. And if you'll have any different methods that I don't post that you would like me to try out, or products you would like me to try out to achieve this look that I like for pageantry, let me know. So here's that meetup that I was talking about. So I'm gonna try to turn them down a little bit more. So it's like an overextension of them and then pull them down, because these little suckers, they will move. Yeah, it doesn't look like really any part is much longer. The extensions are all in. Bam! Now I just need to curl it. I'm gonna take it side by side, section by section. I want today to be a little bit looser of a curl than a traditional 1-inch barrel. I think that's too kind of where the trend's going. You have pieces of extension in here. This is how my little sister Allie does my hair when she does it, and I love it. And it holds a lot longer. So I have a Hot Tools 1-inch curling iron, and it's in the extra long length. The exact curling iron I used when I competed at Miss Arkansas and Miss USA. It's lasted me a while. Since I don't have my pin curls, I'm gonna kind of let it cool down in my hand for a little bit. I'm gonna go different ways with it so that it doesn't all become one curl. My hair is very silky, and I'm just trying to mix it up, and Ashley, my hairstylist, isn't gonna love this, kind of damage it. And back the other way. Look out how much length that takes off. The good thing is my hair drops. I would say there is a rhyme or reason to when I go back and forward of curling it. I always go back by my face so that the hair stays out of my face, but and the rest of it, I just try to mix it up so the curls just don't lay on each other and become one. And I'm gonna do these top layers all back together so that it looks really nice on top and polished. No rhyme or reason, and I know people want the rhyme or reason. Just know what I've done for years. This is an arm workout. I didn't work out this morning because I forgot socks, and that's gross, but I did stretch. But I feel like this is an arm workout. You'll check the back for me. Now we're good. Brushy, brushy. If we were doing the light and heavy hold for stage, we would still be hitting the light until we're fully done to do the heavy. So that's all curled. Golly gee, be careful. Look at that bang, boom, boom. Look at that bang. Your hair does come out better if you dance during it. Before I turn my curling iron off, make sure I got every piece. See, like this one? I feel like it needs a little more love. Sneaky, sneaky. Trying to make me look crazy out here with straight pieces, are you, Mr. Hair? Hairspray again. You don't even want to know how many hairspray bottles I went through. So the way I tease my hair is this part right here. If you're gonna wear a headband or like what goes to your ear is teased to the side, but the rest of this is teased backwards. And I decided to whip out this little guy today to see what I thought about his work. So I can tease only to where my extensions are, which is why I don't put them super high up, because it's really important to me to be able to tease my hair. And Mama loves some tease. My hair doesn't do well with the little we're done. No. It needs to be like packed in there. We're almost to where the rubber meets the road in this situation. We went this way, now we're gonna go to the side. I kind of go like to the back to the side. I don't tease the front, okay? And my hair's a little thin here, so the comb will reach to the front. Do not fret. Just hit myself in the face, I think. We're gonna make sure everything is out of my face because we gotta walk today. We need to look like a fan was on me when I sprayed it. I feel like I could do an aerobics class. Let's calm this bad boy down. So we're gonna take this bristle brush and just smooth the outer layer, people. We're not wanting to get down in there and smooth the whole thing, because then why did you tease your hair? And if your hair is anything like mine and you've been like, what do I do with my hair this whole time? You'll figure out that it will drop naturally. Brushing out the ends so they're not ratty. And then sometimes if you do feel like it's a little too stiff, you can let it kind of fall into its own place. Yay! Pageant hair! For my face shape, I love to put a piece behind my ear. I don't bobby pin it or anything just in case it does naturally fall out, but here is our final look, our outfit. Woo! Okay, we got the white shirt, slit pants, striped shoes, and the hair and makeup. So excited for coaching. So let me know what y'all would like to see next. I know I have some things in my back pocket, but I'm really interested in what y'all would like to see, how it works, and how I would style it for a pageant. Hope to see y'all next time. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing y'all next time.